Natalie's team is currently producing content. Natalie has encountered a challenge on how to quickly and efficiently remove background of images without too much effort. Once again, we introduce to you the key role that artificial intelligence tools play in solving this problem. One of the best tools is the website, which we are currently learning how to use together. Enter the website, choose the Remove Background tool. Let's look at a sample together. Let's try an example. This collaboration helps improve innovative processes and creativity in content creation. Subscribe to us and introduce us to your friends. Let's grow together.